Hey everyone, it's Lens Addict here, and today I'm going to follow up with the Apple Watch Ultra with a bit more info and also answer some of the questions you might have had. So some of you were asking, would I buy Apple Care? No, I wouldn't buy Apple Care. I'm pretty careful with my stuff and I just don't see the need. I usually don't break my things. So what's my wrist circumference? Good question. So I measured it just then. It's 18 centimeters. So there you go. Don't know what you'll do with that, but yeah. And someone was asking, they're coming from a Series 5 Apple Watch. So how do the other bands look with the Ultra? Well, I've only got one other band, and that's the metal one. So I'll show you what it looks. It's the official Apple one. So here's the other band, and let's see how it fits. And so we'll try and put this one on. I find it easier to put on when you take off one of the straps. Seems to clip in. Tiny gap on the edge, but it's very small, pretty much not noticeable. All right, let's put the watch on now. It's a bit hard to put on, but God, don't know if I can put this one on. I might have made it slightly too small. There we go. So that's how it looks. So here's how the other bands look on the Apple Watch Ultra. One of the questions was, how did I find the battery life? So that's a good question. I find the battery life a lot better. I charge it once every second day, really. Yeah, it seems to last a lot longer. Definitely not charging it all the time like the old Series 7, 6, and 5. But yeah, it seems to be really good battery life. It does take longer to charge though. I am using the sleep tracking and it tracks just the same as the Series 7, 6, and 5 in my experience. And performing during workouts, just the same. It's not very heavy, so it's very easy to wear it. Works well. Yeah, so really, I'll now answer some things that I have about the watch. So I really like this watch. It's my favorite Apple Watch because the biggest problem I ever had with Apple Watches was the battery life. And that's now fixed, which is awesome. So the battery life is better. The watches, I like the screen size and how it's more durable. Yeah, I really like this Apple Watch. The downsides are it's very expensive. So if it's a lot of money, I don't know if I'll keep it given how much it is, but it's a nice watch otherwise. Hope you all enjoyed this video answering the questions about the Apple Watch Ultra. Let me know if you have anything else you want to know about the Apple Watch Ultra, and I can answer it in the comments below. Give this video a like if you liked it, and dislike if you didn't like it. See you all in the next video. Lens Addict out.